So the million-dollar question is, how can AI-powered automation improve customer experience across different industries? Well, across all industries, customer experience rarely breaks because people don't care. It breaks because leaders lack visibility. AI-powered automation changes that by orchestrating processes end-to-end and turning operations into something you can actually observe and manage. Whether it's retail or finance or healthcare, but we see the same pattern. Once processes are orchestrated, AI insights reveal where customers are waiting, where exceptions pile up, and where service quality degrades, usually before customers ever complain. That visibility increases throughput, but more importantly, it creates learning. AI models improve, automations adapt, and teams go from being reactive to predictive. The result is a quieter kind of customer experience with fewer escalations, fewer exceptions, fewer surprises, and more consistency. That's how AI-powered automation improves customer experience, not by replacing people, but by giving leaders clarity over the systems that their customers depend on.